Welcome back. Now we've got our live show here on Sunday. And it looks like American Airlines here. On the daily, they want to go back into some bullish sentiment and see what happens here. This was the bottom. Let's see if we finally get a little rise above, that midline. This looks way overextended. Looks like it still might have some room to run up too. Okay, I like the way this looks. This might start to see a push up in price. Clove. Interesting. Let's see what happens when Clove breaks out. No GEVO. Short that. Looks like that was the last signal there. Macy's. There's some more signals. Much better. Okay, MGM. Now the list we're getting these off of are stocks that we're going through a squeeze. So just to be aware of the ones that are currently being squeezed. Okay. That was a big squeeze up too. Some good movers down here at the bottom. I mean, this WDC moving $5. Wow. Okay, now this is on a 10-tick chart, so it's going, in 10-cent intervals. And that should give you enough to trade, in and out for you to set orders. Each one of these is a 10-tick, 10-cent block. And you can take, your entry, block above as your entry and first red block below as your, exit. Alright, so now we know which ones have been squeezed. Let's see which ones are just coming out of squeezes or are not being squeezed but have... There we go. Well, there's some good ones on this list here. Snow, excellent. Yeah, Snowflake. Snowflake is one we want to watch. That's some good volatile trading, and you can find your tops and your bottoms in Snowflake pretty easily. Okay. Now let's stretch this renko bar out to a 25. So that's going to mean every block is worth a quarter. Okay. There we go. So 25, 50, a dollar, and so on. You can, work with them like this. Your entry to get in, get out, get in, get out. Okay. Workhorse way down here at the bottom. Now, okay. I mean, it had a little bit of pushback, but it's still in downtime. Yeah, we're still going down. And it's still going to continue to go down. So let's see. Even if price does come back up, it looks like it's still going to get pushed down. It'll pop up through here and then continue to push down. Oh man. So it looks like we may even end up being lower than, here. Eek. Huh. Let me see if it has any support or if it's due to just fall right off. It has some support right through here, but then after that, it's due to just fall right on off. Eek. Okay. I mean, and what are these, peaks and dips here? They're not much. Let's see if we can see a reversal. But if it is to reverse, it's going to reverse in this action here, in this area. Yeah, somewhere around here. Start trending back up. Alright. Let's check out, say, some market sentiment. That's a pretty detailed list. Quite a few stocks on it, though. Let's try another one. Alright. So many stocks hitting their lows. I mean, lots of them are getting, sentiment. They're getting, attention. People are buying them. Alright. That's not going to be very much help here today. Alright, let's see which ones are on our reversal. See what stocks are facing reversals. Nothing? Okay. And let's check out our Darvis box here. Very good. So these are our Darvis box breakouts, on the daily. So we can expect these to continue to be movers up in the days to come. Not all of them, of course. Some of them are moving up, energy ones are moving up, we know why they are. Interesting. Wow. Look at this big gap right here. Look at this huge gap. I've never seen that before. Wow. Okay. Looks like our super trend has the long and short. Let's get rid of those. That way we're only showing the long strategy. There we go. Excellent. Very good. Let's go back to Tesla here. See what's happening. Oh, that won't do. There we go. So these give some pretty decent signals here. All right. Let's see what else we can pull out of here. Let's see where the money's going. Where's the money flow? Follow the money. So if we were to follow the money flow, these are the stocks that we can, say that money is flowing into them. All right. Pfizer, or not Pfizer, Fisker. Yeah. Uber. XPEV. Okay. Now look at how delicious XPEV is. Now in 100 ticks they fell down from this high of $29, but I know that it was much higher. It was way up here. Okay. And I can see XPEV does have a support down here at this level, so I don't expect it to go below this level. So let's see. What can we do here? Let's get rid of those little labels there on that. See if there's a way to do that. Interesting channel it's falling into. So maybe it's going to break out somewhere around, well, it's well below the bottom here. Here's our support. It's here and bounces. Yeah, that's what we're looking for. So when this red line starts to travel, and it looks like we've produced a rocket ship, so this is a good time to maybe jump on board for XPEV right now, for the long hold. I'll be watching it on the daily and the 4-hour, and maybe even to get a better indication of what's going on. There we go. And it looks like the price is going to continue to go down. Alright, now it's being squeezed. So it's being squeezed down. That's what's happening right now. So, wait for the squeeze down to be over. But it looks like we're hitting some nice gap fill areas right here. We should be looking for a bounce. So if there's money flowing in here on XPEV, looks like, we dojied out here. Double doji. Triple dojis maybe. Very good. It's going to pop any time now. And let's see what has a money flow entry signal. All of these do. See how that SOS mining looks. And it's in this big slide right here, and I hope it has the pop, you know, but it looks like it's going to continue to drop off for a little bit. Probably hit us somewhere around the bottom here in this area here. Let's say the 220s, 240s. That's when we'll see the bounce. Let's see T-Mobile here. Looks like T-Mobile, you know, has hit a bit of a high, but it could continue to run on up. And skills here. Yes, now skills had this massive run up. It's not a very big squeeze, but it's trying to. But they have some support down here. Nothing yet on the weekly. On the 4 hour, yes, it's a squeeze down. And it very well looks like might continue to get pushed downwards. That's just kind of what it looks like. Alright, let's look for a reversal here for this to start getting pushed back down. You know, somewhere, you know, this level, and start hitting different levels on the way down. And all of these are trending up patterns. And these patterns are going to be ones that are automatically generated but are in an upwards trend. And it looks like many of these stocks are ones that I've traded before. Very good. Some excellent picks on this list. Check them out. Find something good and